Hi there friends, it's me Aira. Today we're going to dive into the magical world of perfect tenses. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. So, what are perfect tenses? Perfect tenses help us talk about actions that are complete or perfect. There are three perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Let's break them down with some fun examples. First up, the present perfect tense. Imagine I say, I have played soccer today. This means at some point before now, I played soccer. We use have or has plus the past form of the verb. So I say, I have played soccer, because it's something I did before now, but I'm not saying exactly when. Here's another example. She has finished her homework. This means she completed her homework at some point before now. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about the past perfect tense. Think of it like this. We use past perfect to talk about something that happened before another action in the past. Imagine this. By the time I got to the party, everyone had eaten all the cake. Here, had eaten is used because eating the cake happened before I got to the party. We use had plus the past form of the verb. Finally, the future perfect tense. This one's about something that will be finished before a specific time in the future. For example, by next week I will have read 3 books. Here, will have read is used because I'll finish reading the books before next week. We use will have plus the past form of the verb. So, let's review. Present perfect. I have played soccer today. Past perfect. Everyone had eaten all the cake. Future perfect. I will have read 3 books by next week. See, perfect tenses are super cool and not too hard to understand. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a grammar pro. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun grammar tips. Bye.